Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to come to you all and say thank you all so much for just going to my YouTube channel and subscribing, and then also liking and sharing my post about subscribing with your friends and family. You all exceeded my expectations, and I'm just so grateful for the support that y'all have shown me. I hope that this is just the beginning of everything that's to come for the Sweet Life of Sid. Definitely check out some videos, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys again. Bye.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and this is the Sweet Life of Sid, where I'm empowering individuals through life encouragement, health, beauty, fashion, and more. So today's video is going to be one that is really near and dear to my heart. In order to live your best life, you need some sort of companion. And for me, my companion is definitely my iPhone and some of my Apple products. First things first, before I get started, my voice is a little bit raspy and I do have strep throat. I've had a rough week. But I have strep throat right now, and so my voice is like raspy and might go in and out, but I really wanted to make sure that I got this video to you guys. So I'm doing the best I can with the little voice that I got, so bear with me. If you have me on my other social media sites, then you know that I did upgrade my iPhone 10 to the iPhone XsMAX, and I am going to be sharing whether you should upgrade your iPhone in this video. Let's get started. Before I upgraded, I did have the iPhone 10, which was in white. As you guys can see, it is I think it's 5.8. And one of the biggest things that a lot of people did not want to upgrade to the 10 for, coming from the 8 and the 8 Plus, was because we did compromise our screen size by going to a smaller screen, but the display was edge-to-edge design, so it was a smaller phone with a more full screen, if you want to say that. However, when we upgraded to the iPhone XsMAX this year, which happened last Friday, we did get our size back. People were able to have those plus size models with the edge-to-edge design like on the iPhone 10. So for me personally, I just wanted to, I'm someone who upgrades my phone regardless. I don't care if they just change the home button. I'm gonna upgrade my phone because I love having the most current phone. Phones and electronics in general are just so touch and go nowadays, and they're just so like out of date in a quick second. Like, it just makes sense to me to just go ahead and upgrade it, but for some people it doesn't. So I personally have the iPhone Forever plan with Sprint that allows me to have a phone and upgrade every 12 months as long as my bill is current and up to date and my phone does not have any damages to it. So I will go and purchase the life-proof case. I'll keep that case on my phone. Literally, I can drop my phone, I can put my phone in water, I can do all of that kind of stuff, and my phone stays pretty much as good as new. I've done it for the last 5 years and it's worked for me. And then as soon as another phone comes out, boom, I'm able to upgrade. I pay $0 down. I just go and pay the shipping, and then it's applied to my bill every month as far as whatever the amount is that I'm paying for leasing the phone. So that's how I upgrade. And going to should you upgrade or not, I do have a few notes about the differences in phones that I did take down, and so if I'm looking down, I'm just reading these notes to you guys. So for number one, so far I've had my phone for a week. I pre-ordered my phone the week before and it came to me literally the week afterwards, and so now this is a week of me having it. The biggest upgrade from the 10, the 8, and the 8 Plus was the Oled Super Retina display. The new size, which was a 6.5 for the Max and then the 5.8 for the S, and also the R, because they do have the iPhone XR or whatever. The Max is basically the Plus model with the edge-to-edge design, which I've already pretty much said that and showed it to you guys. Supposedly there's supposed to be a new durable glass on the front and back. The edges of the phone are also made from surgical steel, so they're supposed to be more resistant to dust, more resistant to water, and all those types of things. You're also able to submerge your phone up to 2 meters for 1 hour with the new line of iPhone XS, XR, and also iPhoneXsMAX. And basically that's putting your phone in 6.5 feet of water and there for an hour. So if for some reason you're going to be in 6.5 feet of water for an hour, your phone should be a-okay. Outside of that, there is advanced Face ID. That doesn't really bother me, but supposedly your phone is supposed to unlock quicker than before. Also too, it has this new A12 Processing Chip, which enhances the performance of your apps. It makes your graphics 50% faster. And also with these phones, you're using 50% less of battery usage while you're using your phone. So basically your phone will die slower than what it has before. Also, you have the dual camera that lets you adjust the depth of field in your portrait photos. It has a faster sensor, and it now allows you to record 4K videos in up to 60 frames per second. All in all, if you ask me, if you have the 10, I personally would not move up to any of the models that came out. I would wait until next year when they release a whole new number of phones. So for me, before I had the iPhone Forever plan, what I would do is I would upgrade on the numbers. I would never upgrade on those little half phones that they come out, the S's. I would never upgrade on the S's because they don't have significant changes to them. There may be performance changes, there may be camera changes and things of that nature, but there is no huge change. For us, if you guys notice, when they came out with the 10 and they came out with the A+, there were huge changes. Excuse me, we had color changes, we had, you know, screen changes, home button changes. They took away, you know, the earphone jacks and all that kind of stuff. So those more significant changes to the phone itself are going to be done on the whole number model phones. However, on your like half-breeds is what I call them, the half-breed phones that they come out with in between time and the meantime, those you don't really need to do. So for this is what I would consider a half-breed phone. I would not suggest that you upgrade. I love the whole being able to adjust the depth of field. I love literally the color in the display and things. But when I hold it up against my iPhone 10, I don't see significant changes. Now, if you are someone with a A+, or even 7+ on down, I would definitely go ahead and just upgrade to the Max. I wouldn't go to the 10, I wouldn't go to the R, I wouldn't do none of that. I would just go straight to the Max. So that way, boom, you have everything, you're up to date, you're able to use Memoji, you have all those cool features that come along with the camera, you have literally everything. The Max is literally the Max. So if I had an A+ or lower, I would upgrade to the Max. If I had a 10, I would wait till next year. And that's just personally my opinion. I do have some photos that I took on both of my phones and some video footage that I took on both of my phones that I'm going to be inserting here. So this is pretty much the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you all. If you have any other questions or would like to see any other demonstrations between the two phones, please let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Comment below, like, share this video, and make sure that you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.